I can't sit here and say to anyone, you're not going to see people pass away. You will. That is the nature of what we're dealing with. And that's beyond any of our control. But New York is going to have what it needs, and no one is going to attack New York unfairly, and no one is going to deprive New York of what it needs. That's why I'm here. That's why we have a state full of very talented professional people. So a deep breath on all of that. And we are doing exactly what we need to do. There is no state in the nation that is better prepared or better mobilized than what we're doing. And I feel that deeply, and having studied everything that every other state has done. Federal officials have even remarked to me that they're surprised how quickly a state as big and complicated as New York has actually mobilized. So feel good about that. There are two great New York expressions that I use all the time. Anything I build in New York always has two expressions on it. One, Excelsior, says it all. Ever upwards, aspirational. We can be better, we will be better. We're going to aim higher, we're going to improve ourselves. Excelsior, state motto, it's on the seal behind me. Excelsior. And the other, e pluribus unum, out of many one. Unity, unity. You put those two things together, it says it all. Aim high, do better, believe you can do better, be optimistic, and the way you get there is through unity and togetherness and cooperation and through mutuality and community. Those two expressions. I say to my daughters, if you remember nothing else when I'm gone, if you walk up to the box and have nothing else to remember, Excelsior, you can be better, it will be better, we can make it better. E pluribus unum, we make it better together. That's it, and that's what we're doing.